How to transfer a domain from Squarespace to another domain. Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer your domain from Squarespace to another domain register. This process can seem a bit tricky, but I'll guide you through it step by step. Let's get started. First, go to the Squarespace website and log into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the home menu and click on settings, and from there select domains to see a list of your registered domains. Next, find the domain you want to transfer and click on it. You'll see an option to unlock domain. Click on this to unlock your domain for transfer. After unlocking your domain, you'll need to get your authorization code. So look for an option that says Get Authorization Code or Transfer Code and copy this code as you'll need it for the transfer. Now go to the domain registrar where you'll want to transfer your domain. Start the transfer process on their website. You'll be prompted to enter the domain name and the authorization code you just copied. After entering the details, follow any additional instructions for your new registrar to complete the transfer. This may include confirming your email address or providing payment information. Once initiated, the transfer process may take several days to complete. You'll receive an email confirmation when the transfer is finalized. And that's how to transfer your domain from Squarespace to another domain register. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more website management tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.